If you want to earn PayPal cash by completing paid surveys, then today's video is for you. As you can see on the screen, I currently have 4 surveys available. Today I completed one survey, and its reward is shown in front of you. It took me only 3 minutes to complete this survey, and according to the survey length, I received a good reward. Please note that you cannot become rich by using survey apps, but you can earn good part-time income. My first survey is 10 minutes long, and its reward is shown on the screen. This survey has received a 3-star rating from 14 users, which is good. The second survey is 12 minutes long, and its reward is $1.099. This survey has received a 2-star rating from 29 users, which is quite a good rating. I personally use these ratings to figure out which survey is easy and which one is hard. According to me, the easier a survey is, the more ratings it gets. Using this idea, I have successfully completed many surveys. Your earnings and survey rewards may vary depending on your profile and country. However, you may not be able to complete every survey. Sometimes you can also get disqualified. As you can see on the screen, I clicked on 3 surveys, and I have already been disqualified once. The app's name is HeyCash. I have provided its sign-up link in the video description. This app is available in almost all countries worldwide. The minimum withdrawal amount in this app is $5. The withdrawal options are PayPal and gift cards. HeyCash also has a day streak feature, where you can earn rewards by completing surveys day after day. In addition, HeyCash also gives rewards when you level up. My current level is 5, and as you can see on the screen, I have received a reward. However, the level up reward is quite small. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.